Hi guys, it's your Aryan the Techie and I today want to teach about physics. Today we'll do chapter 1 of ICSE, and in that chapter 1 we'll first do units, the topic units. So let's begin. The syllabus we'll cover while doing it. So let's begin with the units. Introduction. Physical quantity is a quantity that can be measured. Then measurement is a process. One second. Measurement is a process of comparison of a given physical quantity with a known standard quantity of same nature. For example, I'll take 1 kilo mass, means a block of 1 kilo mass on a beam balance, and I'll take some unknown mass of the same nature. We are measuring mass, so both are of the same nature. So when we measure it, means compare it, we'll get to know by adjusting this mass, we'll get to know what is the mass of this unknown substance. Like for example, take it 1.5 kgs. Then unit is a standard quantity. For example, kg. Kg means 1 kg and that is universal. That 1 kg will mean 1 kg everywhere. It's a standard quantity of constant magnitude, like I said. It is used to measure magnitudes of other quantities by measurement, means comparison. Choice of unit. Convenient size. You can't measure a grain with 1 ton of unit. So you should choose it appropriately. Then it should not seen with space and time. It should not be like 1 kilo in America would be 10 kilos in India. No ambiguity means inexactness. It should be exact. It should not change. And easily reproducible means, like for example, 1 kilo block, the original block which was made, that can be that should be, means it should not be like you have to go to that place, you have to measure it and then you should return. It would be very uncomfortable. That's why. And easily reproducible, I want to tell that it should not be so expensive or it should not be so different that it can't be again made. Then units. Before going to units, I want to talk about the systems like CGS system, centimeter gram second. MKS, also known as SI, is meter kilogram second, and foot pound second, or the FPS, is mostly used in the, I don't want to say Great Britain, but normal Britain. Now, fundamental unit, as you can see, means, sorry, I'll just erase this. Yeah. Now you can see these are the fundamental quantities which are independent of any other unit. They can neither be seen nor related. You can't relate mass to length unless you are doing some really difficult physics calculation. Same goes with time, electric current, etc. Derived units are those which depend on fundamental unit, or they can be expressed in terms of fundamental units. Example, density. It is kg by meter square. Kg is nothing other than this. Kilogram, which is a fundamental unit. So a standard meter, as we'll come, but we'll come there after a good amount of time. So units of length, time and mass. Length is this. In this, I'll tell that these are important and these are important, these two. So you have to by heart them, there is no other way. Here, this is important. It's asked sometimes in internal exams and external exams. Solar mass is nothing other than mass of sun, I know you know. Then time is very less important when we come to exam point of view, but still I think you should just learn this. Definitions of SI unit. This is my favorite definition. It is long, but okay, you have to somehow make it. I'll just see. So this is 9192. I'll tell you what is it. 1 sec. Okay. So 1 second is defined as time interval. Like 1 second is time unit. That's why of 919 to 61770 vibrations of radiations corresponding to a transition between two hyperfine levels of ground. Okay, sorry, autocorrect. It is ground. state of cesium-133 atom. This is used in atomic clocks also, which we don't have now. 1 meter. This is the definition of 1889. If you want the Abhikar definition, you have to refer this. Standard meter. Standard meter is defined as the distance traveled by light in 1 by 299792458 of a second. You have to memorize this. There is no other way. Or you can do this also. Both are accepted. I think so. 1 meter. Distance between two marks, like this, and this is a rod. This is a alloy of platinum iridium kept at 0 degrees Celsius to prevent thermal expansion at Sèvres near Paris. Yes, it is. And 1 kilo, same way, it's the mass of a cylindrical piece. This is a cylindrical piece whose mass is 1 kg. Kept at international at Sèvres near Paris. Simple. Hello, it's me Aryan the techie, and I want to give an announcement. I'm going to cover all the problems from this chapter after in a future video. So please wait. I'm also going to solve the 2 board papers prescribed by the council for 9th class. So wait for future videos, and thanks for your support. Bye. Share, subscribe and like.